This time, we go now for that side for Bonipopa. What happen for Bonipopa? I the pass for day. Now so accusation. Them talk say we hear say for Bonipopa. If you work after 8 o'clock for night, they go catch you. They carry you go put up for brigade, and then you give 50 kolo. That means say 50K. And then now what happen? Why they supposed to do so? Now the question we for this side with the AXA. And the new revelation will come out, it come out like Congosa, and they try to give na le Congosa. Then they say people for Bonipopa, they're not happy. So somehow they wake up, the red cap, you understand what I mean? The man the way the red cap, he don't talk. He say then they fear. They fear for security, say population, the vex plenty, and then they no fit go interact with population because the tension where they within them and population, the man they look the man look the man, eye by eye, and then he say some young picking them, they try to tell and say how when I start down at you, I don't make us so. It means say now we know befriend them. So that's what it happen. But how we reaching there for level where they talk say now so they don't talk. Say na big man for that red cap people for that side for Bonipopa. Now you make another one they happen. Then they take 50,000 and then will say me they liberate themselves or they sell for court, this and that. If I say me authority the way they be, when I then get power pass all around the way they red cap for that side of Bonipopa, they try look the matter for see whether not just rumor or whether not some serious thing where they happen for that side for Bonipopa. Because if population the vex and they think the way they do them, we oga quarter them way now they be big oga. They don't know the matter. It is some way no, you know fine. So we wait for Siam. The development will go take place concerning that matter for Bonipopa. We go come for here. We go try for tell now because not pass solution. They need to put solution for the matter for that side. All our people for Bonipopa with the salute now. We not say, you go back.